Have you seen those posts on Instagram where people are showcasing like products or different things in their stories and on their Instagram page? I'm going to show you all about influencer marketing, how you can make a quick buck with it.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down?
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today's video is going to be all about influencer marketing. I consider myself, I guess, to be an influencer. That was something really, like a really tough pill to swallow when I think about it, because I never thought of myself as an influencer. But I do show people how to do things, and I do promote different links and different products and different things like that, and people do purchase those things. I am an influencer if you think about it like that. So when we think about influencer marketing, we talk about people that have any type of social presence. So if you have a big social media following, not even a big social media following, just any kind of social media following, if you have a Facebook page, if you have an Instagram account, if you have a Twitter account, if you have a YouTube page, and you are in front of an audience of people where you can promote things, influencer marketing is something that you could be into. So one of my friends, my YouTube friends, Toya ATL, me and her had a conversation about influencer marketing, and I said, you know, you have all these people watching your videos, why don't you have Amazon affiliate links inside of your pages? And she said, you know, I don't know, I'm gonna try it. So she went and tried it, and she sent me a message later on. She said, oh my God, TJ, why didn't you tell me about this sooner? And I said, well, you know, I kind of learned about it myself. So you can really make some money just pumping like affiliate links, and there's a bunch of different ways that you can get hooked up with companies. There's going to be two kind of different ways that you can do this. So the first kind of way is with a personal account. So if you have an Instagram account that is an influencer page, so my page, TJ Lovelady, is just a personal page. I post, you know, stuff from my personal life. I also post promos from my YouTube channel. But there are sites that you can create that are influencer sites. So if you look at sites like the Shade Room, the Shade Room Kids, Baller Alert, World Star Hip Hop, if you look at these different pages, The Hook, there's a bunch of different ones that they actually create as influencer pages. So they don't have any kind of personal content on there. What they do is they kind of take content from different places and they accumulate them onto one page. And these are like epic posts, funny posts. They can be, you know, whatever it is. So that's pretty much what an influencer page looks like. If you're looking at an actual influencer page. So you yourself can build these influencer pages, and there's a couple different ways that you can go about doing this. So the first thing that you would need to do is you need to create some sort of a page. So it doesn't necessarily have to be anything that you are particularly connected to. I actually made one myself, and I was going to build an influencer page. I just really hadn't had a lot of time to do it, and I named it Pets Are Lit. So the reason I did this is because everybody loves pets, everybody loves dogs and cats and all those different types of things. That's very niche specific content that I would be able to curate. So basically what I was going to do was I was going to take photos and videos from Reddit that goes viral, copy those and just paste them onto this page. And with an influencer page, you really have to be doing like 6 to 10 posts a day, every day. So you really build your page really quickly, and you kind of reach out to a lot of people. There's a certain way that you can do this, so I'm going to give you a little tutorial of how to do that. So I'm just going to walk you through really quickly how to do this. What you're going to need, you're going to need Instagram, and you are going to need Repost Wiz. There may be other ones out there, but this Repost Wiz is what I normally use. So what you would do, you would go to your Instagram account, and if you see an epic video that you want, so I'm going to go to Shade Room. Normally they have something that's funny video, so we'll just click on that, whatever it is. What you'll do is you'll click on these 3 dots, you'll click on copy link. you'll go over to your repost quiz. It will copy it up there. You're going to click on it, and you will click this little download button, and you can export it to your photos. So now you have that video, and you can repost that to whatever. All right, so that's pretty much how you would like pull video and photos and put them on the Instagram page itself. Now let's talk about the description. So the description has to be very specific, and it needs to be congruent across all your photos. So what I see a lot of people doing is they put like a little tagline at the bottom with certain hashtags. So those hashtags is what's going to get you to the explore page. The explore page is where you're going to reach a lot of different people, and a lot of people go viral on the explore page, and that's really the essence of what you want to do. Is you want to have one post. It's almost like hitting a jackpot. One post that goes viral. So with the post that goes onto the explore page, you just want to make sure that you put on there, you know, tag 2 friends or tag 3 friends, share this with your friends, you know, tag 2 people in the comment section below, because you want engagement on your post, because that's going to get you to the explore page. So Instagram's algorithm is kind of like YouTube's algorithm. It's always changing, but that's one of the things that remains constant, is that posts that get good engagement, get good views, get good likes, they're going to end up on the explore page, the top of the explore page, so more people are going to be able to see them. And you just want to make sure that people are sharing your posts, people are tagging people in your posts. So the only way they're going to do that if you ask them to. So you want to make sure that your format kind of looks like this, and shows exactly what you want people to do. So tag 2 friends, tag 3 friends, tag somebody that you know that looks like this, you know, tag somebody that would do this, and that would prompt people to tag people into your post, which would facilitate actually the engagement that you need to get your post onto the explore page. Anyway, so once you get your Instagram page kind of rolling, you get people rolling in, there are different ways that you can go about getting your page around. The way that I do my page is I have a program that auto likes photos all day long. I think you can like up to 1,400 photos every single day, certain hashtags, and I'll put a link to that in the description section below, and I put like a little thing right here showing. So this right here is actually what happens. It goes through and it likes different photos all day long, and I just leave my computer on it and it runs it all day long, and that's what gets a lot of people to your page. So you don't really have to you don't have to worry about being shadow banned or anything like that. In the beginning, when you're first starting out, you don't want to use this, because if you do, you can be shadow banned, and a shadow ban is essentially where Instagram won't promote your page or any pages. It won't promote it in anybody's feed. It won't promote it anywhere, and you know, all your work will be wasted because nobody will ever see it. So in the beginning, you want to grow organically. Okay, in the beginning, you want to just take your photos and videos, post them, and do a large volume of posts to reach more people. Make sure you're doing your hashtag research, knowing which hashtags are very niche specific to what you're talking about. So like my page, Pets Are Lit, I'm going to be tagging dogs, cats, funny cats, you know, different hashtags like that get a lot of traffic. Love is one, Insta love, all those posts that get a lot of attention, that has a lot of posts on it. You want to have a couple of those in there, but then you also want to have very niche specific tags, so that you have a greater chance to getting to the top of the explore page for those tags. Now I'm going to go more in depth about this on later videos, but I just want to give you like a brief overview of how to get started if you are thinking of doing influencer marketing, or if you're thinking of building an influencer page. All right, so now I said all that to show you how the power of having an influencer page and being able to use that to promote things. So when I look on Instagram and I see these influencer posts, you know, normally it's showing a product, showing a makeup product, showing different products. Maybe they're promoting AliExpress things. Maybe they are promoting their own merchandise. Maybe they're doing like print on demand shirts and different things like that. But the thing is, you have to have an audience to promote. So it doesn't matter what you promote, you can just promote it on this page, and most of the time it's things that you don't physically have. It may be something that you just drop ship. So it could be shirts, it could be trinkets, it could be little pieces of jewelry. There's a bunch of different things that you can promote. There's also people that will reach out to you if you put your business information in your page. So I put my email, and I also put my P.O. box in my Instagram profile, and I get emails every single day from different companies that want me to promote their stuff. Now, I don't necessarily promote all the things that people send me, because I get a lot of stuff about fashion and different things like that, and I don't, I'm not a fashion person, so I'm not going to be modeling clothes on my site. Now, what I have done is I've reached out to some of my friends that do like fashion and different things like that, and I was thinking of promoting, have them wear the clothes and different things like that, and I can post them to my page. So it's a lot of business opportunities and a lot of money that can be made with either a personal page or an influencer page. Now, you can also purchase, and I know it's a lot of information, but you can also purchase spots on different pages. So you can look at, like the Shade Room. There's smaller influencers like the Hook, just different influencer pages, and I can show you what an influencer page look like, and we can dive really deep into getting onto influencer pages. So their stories, maybe they put a promotional post up for you, and they charge a fee for that. So if you would like that video, put it in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will make that video showing you exactly how to do that, how to reach out to them, what to say, how to say it, and how to sell yourself to them, so that they will promote your stuff. So it's going to be all for today, guys. I know that's a lot of information, more information than I really want to put in this video. But if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section below, and I will try to get your question answered. Or if I need to make a follow-up video for this, I will. Thanks, guys, for watching.